Learning new stuff is super cool, but let's be real, sometimes it can feel like our brains are gonna explode with all that info coming our way. But don't you worry. We've got some awesome learning strategies, like the Pareto Principal and the Feynman Technique. And guess what? We've even got the help of CHAT GPT to make things easier. So get ready, cause in this video, we're gonna show you how these techniques, with the help of CHAT GPT, can turbocharge your learning process and help you achieve those awesome results you've been dreaming of. Let's dive in. The Pareto Principle, also known as the 80-20 rule or the law of the vital few, states that roughly 80% of the effects come from 20% of the causes. When studying a subject or topic, not all information is of equal importance. The Pareto Principle suggests that a small percentage of the concepts or information will contribute to a significant portion of your understanding. By identifying and focusing on these key concepts, you can gain a solid foundation and comprehension of the subject matter more efficiently. Now let's ask ChatGPT to use the 80-20 rule to create a learning plan. Here we ask ChatGPT, I want to learn cybersecurity. Can you use the Pareto Principle, which identifies the 20% of the topic that will yield 80% of the desired results, to create a focused learning plan for me? As you can see, ChatGPT quickly provided the learning plan. Now that you have the learning plan, it is time to have a study plan. Let's ask ChatGPT to create a study schedule. Imagine you can allocate 2 hours to study every Monday and Wednesday. This is what we prompt ChatGPT. And here's the output from ChatGPT. Since we asked for appropriate amount of time, it planned it for 16 weeks, which is awesome, and it also allowed time for review and practice. Now that you have your schedule and topics, let's ask ChatGPT to provide resources for study. Some people prefer to read books or articles, some by watching videos or listening to podcasts. So we will ask ChatGPT to provide learning resources for above topics. And it comes back with the list of books, videos, podcasts, and interactive exercises. Next technique is Feynman Technique. Feynman Technique, named after physicist Richard Feynman, this technique involves teaching a concept to someone else as a way to enhance your own understanding. By explaining the subject in simple terms, you can identify gaps in your knowledge and reinforce your learning. So we are going to prompt ChatGPT to explain a given topic in simple terms. Here we ask ChatGPT, I want to learn negative gearing. Can you use the Feynman technique to explain it to me in simple terms? And here is the step-by-step breakdown of negative gearing in simple terms. Last technique is the virtualization exercise, which is a learning technique that involves simulating or emulating real-life scenarios or environments using virtual tools or technologies. Let's ask ChatGPT to guide us through a virtualization exercise to better understand the term negative gearing. ChatGPT can also be helpful in interview exercises by providing simulated interview scenarios. It can act as an interactive interviewer, allowing individuals to practice answering interview questions and receive feedback in real time. ChatGPT can generate a variety of interview questions, simulate different interviewer personalities, and adapt the conversation based on the responses provided. This example was not interactive, but you can certainly try the interactive scenario and get feedback based on your answers. Let's take a look at some of the question and answers that can prepare you for the job. When the hiring manager asked, "Why are you interested in working specifically for Tesla?" The answer was, "I have always been passionate about sustainable energy and the positive impact it can have on the environment. Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy aligns perfectly with my own values. I admire Tesla's innovative approach to electric vehicles, energy storage solutions, and renewable energy generation. I believe working at Tesla would provide me with the opportunity to contribute to this important mission while further developing my skills." Here is another example. Thanks for watching. Please let me know in the comments section below if you found the video helpful.